Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Time 5 seconds for each question. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. She was tired, but she continued working. Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. He is tall and he plays basketball. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. She came early so she could help us. Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. I like apples but not oranges. Option A is the correct answer. Question 5. They must hurry or they will miss the bus. Option D is the correct answer. Question 6. He studied hard, but he failed the exam. Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. He sings and plays the guitar. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. We stayed home because it was raining. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. I called him, but he was busy. Option A is the correct answer. Question 10. She was sad, but she smiled. Option A is the correct answer. Question 11. He will pass if he studies hard. Option D is the correct answer. Question 12. She is smart and hardworking. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. I will sleep now because I am tired. Option C is the correct answer. Question 14. She will succeed if she keeps trying. Option D is the correct answer. Question 15. We waited until he arrived. Option D is the correct answer.